Okay, so ito na yung gagawin kong example ng product rules. So, para madali, lalagay ko dito yung mnemonics. So, first, D second plus second D first. Okay, so yan, iiwan lang natin yan dyan para hindi nyo makalimutan. So, example number 1, derivative of negative 4x raised to the 5th power times 6x cubed. So, of course, ito ang first, ito yung second. So, all that's left is just following this mnemonics. So, first, kinopya, times d second. So, ibig sabihin, de-derive natin ito pangalawa. So, 6x cubed. Anong derivative nun? Dapat isang tinginan nyo na lang yan. 18x squared. Okay? Kung hindi nyo yan gets, panoorin nyo yung product rule na video. Yung power rule na video. Kasi kailangan nyo mag-gets yan. Plus, second, 6x cubed. Kinopya lang. And then last is D first. Derivative ng first. So, anong derivative ng first? Negative 4x to the 5th power, derive natin. Anong sagot? Negative 20 x 4. Ayun na, tapos na yung calculus. Algebra na lang to. So, distribute. Negative 4x to the 5th power times 18x squared. So, negative 4 times 18, anong sagot? 40, 32, 72. So, negative 72. And then, x to the 5th power times x squared, and the x, 7. Okay? Next, plus 6x cubed times negative 20x to the 4th power. So, ang sagot, negative 120. Tama ba ako? Tama. Ayan. So, ayan. Last, i-combine nyo na lang to. So, negative 72x to the 7th power, magiging minus to. Dahil sa sign. So, minus 120 x to the 7th power. So, ang final answer, i-combine nyo itong dalawa since parehas sila na exponent. So, ang sagot dyan, negative 72, then 120, edi negative 192 x to 7. Ayun na. Okay, gets yun na. So, madali lang. So, para mas may gets, next example. 6x to the 5th power times negative x cubed plus 4x squared. Okay, game. So, madali lang to, promise. First, then, derivative ng second. Anong derivative ng negative x cubed plus 4x squared? So, balikan nyo yung product, yung power rule kung hindi nyo naiintindihan to. So, ang sagot dyan, negative 3x squared plus 8x. Pinagtatimes lang yung exponent. So, basta kailangan get nyo na dito yung power rule para hindi na kayo nahihirapan. Plus, second, kokopyahin. Then, derivative ng first, ng unahan. Anong derivative ng 6x5? 30x4. Ayun na. So, tapos na yung calculus. Ito ay algebra na lang. So, distributive property. Okay. So, game. 6x5 times negative 3x squared. Ang sagot, negative 18x7 plus 6x5 times 8x is 48x6. Okay? Plus, ito na mga kabila. Negative x cubed times 30x4. Ang sagot, negative 30x7. Then next, 4x squared times 30x4. Ang sagot, positive 120x6. Then, ayan, kukombine nyo na lang yan. So, para maganda, buburahin ko na to. Okay na. So, ayan, combine like terms. Ito pwedeng pagdikitin. Then, ito pwedeng pagdikitin. So, negative 18x7 minus 30x7, ang sagot, 40. So, negative 48x7. Then, 48x6 plus 120x6. Ano sagot? 168x6. So, tama ba? Tama ba ako? 168. Tama. So, ayan. Ayan yung sagot. So, negative 48x7 plus 168x6. So, ganun lang kadali. Next. 3x squared minus x plus 4 times 5x to the 5th power. So, product rule kasi pinagmumultiply. So, sundan lang natin itong mnemonics. So, first, 3x squared minus x plus 4 and then, derivative ng second. So, ang second ay 5x to the 5th power. So, kapag dinerive yan, magiging 25x4. Okay, next. Plus, second, then, derivative ng first. So, anong derivative ng 3x squared minus x plus 4? 3x squared is 6x. Minus x, ang derivative ng x, 1. So, negative 1. Ang derivative ng 4? Constant yan. So, 0 na. So, ayun lang. Now, tapos na yung calculus. All that's left is distributive. Di-distribute na lang to sa mga yan. Okay, game. 3x squared times 25x to the 4th power, 75x6. Next, negative x times 25x4 and the negative 25x5. Last, 4 times 25x to the 4th power and the 100x to the 4th power. Next, plus 5x 5 times 6x, ang sagot, 30x6. And then last, 5x5 times negative 1, negative 5x5. So, purin ko na pala yung parenthesis. Ayun na. So, combining like terms na lang. So, ito, tsaka ito pwede. Okay. 75x6 plus 30x6, ang sagot, 105x6. Next. Negative 25x5, then ito, pwede. So, negative 25x5 minus 5x5, negative 30x5. And then ito, walang kapares, edi lalagay na lang sa dito. Yun. So, ito na yung sagot. Okay, gets yun na. So, 105x6 minus 30x5 plus 100x4. So, ganun lang kadali. Okay, so fourth example, negative 7x cubed times 5x squared. So, sa examples na to, sa last two example, tatanggalin ko na to mnemonics kasi dapat kabisado nyo na yan kapag nandito na. So, ayan. Game. So, wag kayo magpapalito dapat gets nyo na to. Okay, so gets nyo bakit naging ganyan. First derivative ng second plus second derivative ng first. So, basta kabisaduhin nyo yan. Okay. So, again, first derivative ng second plus second derivative ng first. Then, multiplication na lang yan. Negative 7x cubed times 10x is negative 70x4. Okay, plus 5x squared minus 21x is negative 5 times 21 5, 10, 105 x squared. So since plus and negative, magiging negative na lang to. So ayun na, negative 70x4 minus 105x squared. Tapos okay, so next, last. Ayan, medyo mahaba. So, negative 2x4 plus 5x cubed plus 2 times negative 3x squared minus 4x. So, baka malito kayo. Sige, lalagay ko na. Okay, game. Sundan nyo lang. First, okay, times derivative ng second. Derive nyo muna to. negative 6x minus 4 plus, baka nandito kayo bakit ganito? Dinerive ko lang yan. Dinerive ko yung 3x squared, ang sagot negative 6x. Dinerive ko yung negative 4x, ang sagot negative 4. Next, second. Last, derivative ng first. Anong derivative nan? Negative 8x cubed plus 15x squared. Ayun na. So, ang natitira is just algebra. So, this 3 times lang yan. So, mahaba magiging sagot dito. Pero sana magkasya. So, ito una. Negative 2x 4 times negative 6x. Ang sagot, 12x 5. Negative 2x 4 times negative 4. Ang sagot, positive 8x 4. Next, ito namang 5. Okay, so 5x cubed times negative 6x, ang sagot, negative 30x4. Next, 5x cubed times negative 4, ang sagot, negative 20x cubed. Last, ito naman 2. So, negative 2 times 6x is negative 12x. Last, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So, ito na yung sagot dito sa unang part. So, kung nalilito kaya dyan, algebra lang yan. Reviewin nyo lang. Okay, next. Ito naman. So, plus, lalagyan ko ng plus sa gitna. Then, game. Negative 3x squared times negative 8x cubed. So, ang sagot dyan, 3 times 3 times 3 is 24. So, positive 24x 5. Next, dito naman. Negative 3x squared times 15x squared. Ang sagot, negative 45x 4. Okay, next. Ito namang negative 4. Negative 4x times negative 8x cubed. Ang sagot, 32x 4. Then last, negative 4x times 15x squared. 15x squared. So, ang sagot, negative 60x cubed. Okay, so ayun na, tapos na. So, combining like terms na lang. Cube to ayusin ko nga, baka malito kayo. Okay, so ayun, combining like terms na lang. Ito pwede. 24 plus 12 is 36. So, ang 36x5. Next, ito pwede. Maraming pwede. Okay. Lahat ng 4. Okay. So, 8x4 minus 30x4 is negative 22x4. Negative 22x4 So, si negative 22x4 minus 45, ang sagot, negative 22. 67. So, negative 67x4 plus 32. So, negative 67 and then 32 ang sagot. 5 and 3. Negative 35. So, yung final answer, negative 35x4. Kung hindi nyo alam bakit naging ganyan, kinumbine ko lahat ng may 4 ang exponent. So, careful with the sign. So, check natin nga. Sige nga, para mas maganda. Baka mali ako X minus 30 negative 22 minus 45 plus 32. Negative 35, tama. Next, ito cubes, pwedeng pagdikitin. So, negative 20x cube minus 60x cube. So, ano sagot? Eh di negative 80. Okay. So, wala na pwedeng pag-combinein. So, bibring down na lang natin itong dalawan to. Okay. So, yun na. Sakit lang sa ulo kasi mahaba. Pero madali lang siya. So, 36x5 minus 35x4 minus 80x cube minus 12x minus 8. Ayun yung sagot. So, ayun. Ganun lang kadali. Basta tandaan nyo lang tong mnemonics. First D, second plus second D first. Tapos, ito lang actually ang calculus part. Dalawang beses ka lang nag-calculus Ano? Gets nyo? Dalawang beses lang kayo nag-calculus dito sa part na to. And then dito sa part na to. Diyan lang kayo nag-calculus. The rest ng iyan ay algebra. So kung nahihirapan kayo sa calculus, ibig sabihin, nahihirapan kayo sa algebra. Kasi calculus is just 10% calculus, the rest algebra na. Okay, so ayan, review nyo lang yan. Ang susunod na video ay nasa na ba tayo? Okay, so tapos na tayo sa product rule, tapos na tayo sa power rule, so quotient rule naman. And then next is chain and then implicit. So ayan, gets nyo na. Okay, so yun lang, salamat.